In this session, I will explain how to format the data as table. So, if you format the data as table, you can easily sort the data and you can easily filter the data. So, already here we have different types of predefined formats, predefined styles with colors and everything. Suppose light group is here and medium group is here, medium colored group and dark colored group is here. So, we can select any one table format as per your requirement. For example, I want this format, gold table style, light colored. So, see, first also you can select the range, or otherwise now you can select the range. So, it is asking the range. Suppose I want to make this as a table. See, under this range we have an option, my table has headers. Yes, my table already is having headers, SNO, SNAME, course. That's why I am selecting this option. OK. See, automatically the table like format will come. You can select this arrow and you can filter the data. For example, if you don't want BA, you can deselect it and OK. Without BA, the data came. And if you want all, you can select all. The same option similar to this we have here, insert table. Under insert we have table option. There we will go through detailedly, but here we have predefined styles, so that we can also apply the predefined styles as per our requirements in this area. I am pressing Ctrl Z. I don't want to apply. I want to apply to the entire data. I am selecting the entire data and format as table, and right now I am selecting the medium style. So, medium style means, see, of course my table has headers. If you select headers, okay, I am having headers, but those columns above to the English and social are already merged. I applied merge option, so that's why it's not taking this English, social, maths, total, average as column headers. Okay, so this is not in the proper way as per my requirement. So I am pressing Ctrl Z and I am copying the data alone, selecting this data, and I am going to place this data in a new sheet. Ctrl C, I am pressing Ctrl C and I am going to use one new sheet called like I am renaming this as student 2. Okay. Here I am going to paste the data. After one row I am going to paste the data. Now I am going to place the headers to this first one SNO and SNAME and here course and here English, social, maths na. So English, social, maths, and this is total and this is average. Okay, now I am going to apply as table. Why? Because there is no merged columns. So clearly I can apply top row as headers. So select the type of the table which you want to apply. suppose I am selecting this, and my table has headers I selected. Okay, so that means top columns became headers. See, table design tab extra will come. So using that also we can select or deselect heading rows or filter buttons. If you don't want filter buttons, you can remove, or otherwise you can change the layout also. Once you finish it, means after that also you can change the layout as per your requirement. And see here I can apply all the options. For example, I want to filter only BCom and BSc. I don't want BA and BZC, only those I selected, those details will come. And if you want all details, select all. Okay, and if you want to sort course wise, suppose sorting order is there, or name wise sorting. If you want name wise sort A to Z. See, Geeta first came, G, alphabetic order, H, Hari, then J, like that sorting order came. And if you want in J to Z order, and if you want sort by color or custom sort also, you can select as per your requirement. In this, if you don't want some names, you can deselect to filter the data. Okay, only selected data will come. So here we have, suppose, clear filter from S name. So all the data will come. And if you don't want to sort this Z to A order, again you can go for normal order. Then if you don't want all these table styles, you can simply clear them, not a problem. Just you can use Ctrl Z, or otherwise already I applied these styles, so they are appearing with the required color. If you don't want any of these, we can clear always. We have options like clear everything. Suppose I can say clear all. Clear all means totally cleared. So if you want to move back, if you don't want this table type of format, you can apply Ctrl G. You can go back, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I am applying Ctrl Z. Ctrl Y to repeat. Okay, and if you want to clear this filters and all, if you don't want, means filter button I am removing, and you can place this as normal style. You can select a plain style. This is the plain one. None means nothing. You can apply none style in a table design tab, so that normal data will come, normal data will appear. So you can preview this. See, column headers is not with the borders. You can also apply borders for the first columns. All borders I applied. So like that you can apply table formats, predefined table styles. Okay,